Let's review sword techniques. Tapping. Take a look, please. Now let's practicing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, thrusting. Take a look. Now let's practicing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finish. Next one, review wrist techniques. Take a look, please. Now let's practicing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's put all the techniques together, learning a combination of the sword techniques. Please take a look first. Please take a look again. A slow motion. Thrusting, tapping, thrusting, tapping, turning the body, wrist techniques, thrusting up. Now let's practicing. Thrusting, tapping, thrusting, tapping, turning the body, wrist techniques, then thrusting. Finish. Repeat, please. Repeat again. Now let's practicing again. Please follow him. Repeat, please. Thrusting, tapping, turning the body, wrist technique, and thrusting. Finish. Repeat again.